Retire like a genius.
How to become a retirement genius. How to become a health insurance genius. Health insurance pays for medical, surgical, pharmacy, and sometimes dental expenses for individuals and covered family members. Most Americans receive health insurance as part of an employee benefit package with a portion of their premiums deducted from paychecks. The cost of health insurance premiums is tax deductible for the employer, and the benefits are provided to the employee tax-free. Health insurance can also be obtained on an individual basis that can be tax deductible for the policy owner. Health insurance requires premium payments, and most plans will also charge deductibles, co-pays, and co-insurance. The trade-off between how much you'll pay in premiums versus how much you'll pay out of pocket when care is needed should be understood when picking a plan based on how much care a person thinks they'll need. A frequent user of healthcare services would be better off to pay higher premiums and lower out-of-pocket costs, and then vice versa for someone who's young and healthy. Health insurance is available in many forms, such as managed care plans, also known as HMOs or PPOs, that require policyholders to receive care in-network from designated healthcare providers. If patients seek care outside of network, they must pay a higher percentage of the cost, or they could even be denied coverage. Plans for lower-income individuals can be accessed through the Affordable Care Act, and short-term coverage can also be obtained for people who need to bridge a short period of time, such as transitioning from college to employment, or while waiting to turn 65 and enroll in Medicare. A common form of health coverage today is a high-deductible plan combined with a health savings account. An HSA is a tax-advantaged bank account funded by pre-tax wage contributions to help pay for qualified medical expenses. Contributions made to an HSA do not have to be used or withdrawn during that specific tax year, and any unused contributions can be rolled over to the following year. HSAs are funded with pre-tax dollars. Contributions are 100% tax deductible, and any amounts used to pay for qualified medical expenses are tax-free.
Retire like a genius.
It's always best to work with information and experts to help you navigate these tricky issues. So visit Retirement Genius today to learn more about how to retire like a genius.